Hey guys, we're back. Another week in the books. Options. Had a pretty rough week, even though it was a short week. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. The short week and the downward pressure in the market is kind of a double-edged sword for a mainly put seller like myself. It's a double-edged sword because one, without the market going up, you really can't take anything off for profit. You kind of have to wait for time decay, right? And then on the plus side, though, you get a good time to put premium out there and sell premium. So that is the kind of a pitfall of being mostly a put seller. If you do puts and calls, then both sides, whenever you have a up or down market, you can profit. And I'm starting to transition to that, and you'll see some of those here. Now, for those who are new here, I share my trades, all the trades that I've done from the Wednesday prior to Tuesday close. Okay, so that's full 5 days of transactions. Now, with Thanksgiving being on Thursday, of course, there was no Thursday, and then half a day on Friday. So it's really only about 3.5 days here of transactions. But I was pretty busy, especially in opening trades. Now, all these trades that I'm going to show you, you can probably go in there and sell them for more money now, but that's not a suggestion. It's just that's what happens when the market goes down, and it goes down, multiple days in a row. So what I'll do is start sharing the trades that I put on, starting with Wednesday. And was it Wednesday? Let's take a look. No, Friday. I didn't put any trades on Wednesday. We had that down day Friday, and I took advantage of it. And then I also did on Monday. So let's take a look. We started off with, make sure I got to the top here. Yeah. Started off with EOG. That is a gas sector, oil sector. Put on a 65 strike on it. And I think I got that price wrong. But I don't think I put the stock price data contract in there correctly, but that's okay. I did a 65 strike on that, got $75 on that one, and I'm selling most of these out to January. And I pretty much got December filled up. Just to give you a little bit more detail, December, I got quite a bit of premium cooking out for December. There's quite a few trades that are in the money for December. There are going to be some trades that I take off for a loss and realize the loss, mainly for tax loss harvesting, getting out of some leaps that didn't work out for me. And stay tuned. I'll share all those as we go along through the month of December. So next up, I played Oxy. Now, another oil and gas sector. This was actually an accident. Not necessarily an accident, but I had two limit orders because I wanted either one of these to put in EOG or Oxy, and I stepped away to the kitchen real quick, and I came back, and they both filled. So that is the way it goes. But I did a 22 strike on Oxy, got $52 on that one. And then my usual Camping World, put a 35 strike out on that, $75 on that one. And you'll also notice here that I only trade usually one contract, two at the most, for the most part. This allows me to be a little bit more flexible. So if one trade goes against me, or even multiple, I might have 30 to 40 different contracts out at one time. So, if 10% of them go wrong, then I'm only managing a few things, and it's not going to be a one major hit. Beezer Homes, ticker symbol BZH, did a 17 strike on that for $55. And then CCL, I did two Carnival Cruise Lines. I did a 15 strike and a 12.50 strike, and I collected about $1.09 for the both of them. AT&T, this sucker's already in the money. I'm going to look to probably put on the 21 put if they have another down day, just to average down. I already own 200 shares of T at 26 bucks. Not selling covered calls on that. So if I get this 23 strike and I put the 21 in, I'm just trying to average my costs down for the shares that I'll get assigned. But got this one, got 61 bucks for that one. Bed Bath & Beyond, did a 15 strike on that one, got 55 bucks. Dutch Bros, I already have a Dutch Bros out for December. This one's out to January. This one's at a 35 strike, and I got 85 bucks for that one. Now here's where you'll see I start playing both sides of the market. I did a strangle on X, which is US Steel. I did a 31 call and a 19 put, and I got about 88 bucks for both of those. And then IWM, that's the Russell 2000 ETF. Did a strangle on it. Got a 185 put and a $250 call, and got about 230 bucks for those. And then I did another strangle for Kohl's, ticker KSS, strike of 70 on the call side and 42.50 on the put side, and got about about 127 bucks for those. We'll go down. I saw this one, BYSY. Someone posted it in the Discord, and this is one of those. Be careful with this one. It's biotech. It's one of those ones that could easily go to zero. It's just one of those. So, but I was pretty safe on it. Stock price on the date that I sold it was $13.22. I sold the $5 strike and got 45 bucks for that one, but that one's only out to December 17th. I see that they might have earnings, but at 5 bucks, I'm pretty comfortable with it. And then I did a spread on TNA. That's the triple leveraged IWM, basically, excuse me. And I sold the 60 put, and I bought the 55 for a net credit of about 65 bucks. And that one's only out to December 24th. So a little shorter duration there. And then finally, I did a one-day, I was talking with Thumper, and he was saying he did some one-day spreads on the Qs, and I said, you know what, let me take a look. And I looked at IWM. This was after close. For some reason on IWM with Interactive Brokers anyway, you can trade like about 5 minutes after market close. And I looked at this IWM spread, and I sold the 218 and bought the 217. It's trading at 219 now, so it's kind of a flip of a coin. Collected about 33 bucks for that for $100 of risk. So quite a bit of premium put on in those 3.5 days. Now let's take a look at what I closed out, and it's not much. If we go up here to the closes, I only got 3. Is that right? 11:24. Yeah, this was on Wednesday. I closed out. The put that I bought on my TNA spread. So I have a TNA $80 put that I pulled the protection off of. This was a 65 put that I bought it back for $2.18, so profited about 137 bucks or something like that on that put because TNA dropped. And then the put spread on Tesla, if you guys remembered last week, I put on a put spread of Tesla. I took that off the very next day and profited about 57 bucks or so. So that was a one-day hold for that Tesla put spread. And that's all I put on, or I took off in these 3.5 days. So I'm very heavy in premium cooking, and we'll take a look at that next. So look here at premium cooking. Like I said, 2 closed positions only, but I opened 18. I only profited $193 for the week, for the 3.5 days, but I sold $1,128.94 of new premium. So you look at that total premium cooking so far, $4,336.03. 2,600 of that is in December. That's going to be offset by some losses. So December might be a flat month for me. It might be even a down month a little bit, but we'll see. And then you'll see out in January, I'm building that up pretty heavy. I'm already at $1,300 in premium cooking out in January. So with the downward pressure and quite a few of my stocks that are in the money or very close to it, maintenance margin expanded a little bit, plus the new premium I added. My maintenance margin is now sitting at 27,900 for a buying power usage of 23.35%. So not too bad, but this is about where I want to keep it. I'd like to take off some stuff to, relieve it. I don't know. 25% is probably okay. And then I'm going to add, like I said, I added my cash balance. I did have a deposit of $6,000 that I put in. So my cash balance is now $120,405. And then withdrawals, no withdrawals. Net liquidity is 119,500. So I put that 6,000 in, and you can see that it didn't make a difference because of the downward pressure in the market so far. So the return on maintenance margin, that is the profit realized divided by the maintenance margin of the previous week. And that was only 0.89%. So like I said, really slow week of taking stuff off. And the return on net liquidation value, that's that same realized profit divided by last week's net liquidation balance. So 0.17%. So really slow week, but I have a feeling that December is going to start out with a bang here. Besides, of course, the losses that I'll probably, methodically take. So for the month of November, what did I end up doing? Well, month of November, realized profit, $2,974.56. Not too bad. It's actually my best month in quite a while. And I just break this down a little bit here daily. I think this is wrong because I didn't calculate that Thanksgiving was there, but $141.65 per trading day, and hourly is $21.79 per trading hour. And like I said, I think those numbers are actually a little low because I didn't take into account that it was a half a day on Friday and no trading at all on Thursday. So overall, I'm pleased with the week. I'm pleased with how much premium I got cooking right now. I'm pleased with my buying power usage. And let's see how it goes. Hope you guys, I'm going to, be looking to put on more on the call side here. I'll probably either do really wide strangles or call spreads. But it has to be a good setup for me, and that's what's been really tough with doing the call side is I have to be very comfortable on the call side. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great week, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.